Hi, and welcome to the unboxing review of the Vycoda Gooseneck Kettle, model number BTK08A. Now, I don't have a crew helping me with these unboxing videos or anything else, so it's just me holding a smartphone. The smartphone we're using right now is the OnePlus 8 5G. Okay, so we'll look at the box. Looks like a standard box. Which shows that the lid has a temperature detector. It's gooseneck. It's got the handle, the base, stainless steel. Now, you may ask, why should I get a gooseneck kettle versus just an electric tea kettle that's not gooseneck? And my response for that is, it's more accurate in the pouring. If you're going to be doing pour over coffee or anything that needs accuracy, gooseneck's the way to go. Sorry for the shakiness, but again, I do this all myself, one-handed, no crew. So in the box is little card from Vycoda telling you that they're committed to the innovative concept of tea and coffee, and an idiotic warning not to touch the kettle in boiling water. Yeah, because it's going to get hot, because it's filled with boiling water, and to place it on a solid surface. Makes perfect sense, because again, we're dealing with hot water, and to keep it out of reach of children. And again, because we're dealing with boiling water. It's got an instruction manual, which I'll look back at later. The tea kettle, which of course is packaged in a plastic bag. Let's just bounce it around a little to get that out. Again, sorry for the blurriness, but it's just me. So, as you can see, it's got the base that will has the copper connectors that'll mate with the base to do the charging and, well, to do the powering. It's got the temperature gauge on top to show you how hot, Celsius and Fahrenheit. Celsius is the outside scale, Fahrenheit's the inside scale. And it's nice to see the gauges, because if you're doing tea, you're going to want it at one temperature versus other temperatures for coffee. You know, I'm not an expert when it comes to pour overs. There's a lot of channels that you can get information about what temperature to do your coffee at. I'm not going to go into that now. I'm just saying it's nice that you can see the temperature of the water, so you know when it's at the right temperature. And that was me dropping it onto the floor, and it's still fine. So inside, you've got the nice mirrored bottom for the heat and everything else. And as you can see, I'm holding the lid, and it's got the thermometer right to the lid, which is nice. And then the rest inside is the base. It's got standard 2-prong grounded outlet. And that's it. So what happens is you've got the kettle, you put it on top there, and once you turn it in, it'll start to boil the water. Alright, so 1 second. Alright, so let's get some water in, and I'll show you how it boils. That'll be the next video. Okay, So now I've moved this close to an electrical outlet. As you can see, I filled it up pretty high with water. And the base has a little cutout to put the cord through. And to turn it on, you just press down there. And now if you notice, power lights come on. So that's how you know that it's working. And now we're going to just watch. Now they say watch pot never boils. So we're just going to let it sit a little while. And its room temperature is about 30 degrees. $40 degrees. And that's 4 degrees Celsius again. Here in the US, we use Fahrenheit. As you can see, I'm actually rotating the entire kettle just by turning. That's how good it's in there. Then, I don't know if you can hear it, but you can hear the sound of the water starting to boil. Even though it's not at 212 yet. I'm waiting for that to get hot. I'm going to make a nice cup of tea for my wife to have later. The cup I'm using says "You are the cat's meow," and it says meow inside. it's hot enough now, so we're just gonna throw the switch to shut it off. And then I'm gonna pick it up. As you can see, it comes off the base. And now I'm just pouring it in the cup. But if this was for a pour of coffee, you could direct the water exactly where you need to go to the filter to fully saturate it. If you're making ramen noodles, same thing, thin stream or a nice heavy stream, whatever you want. I don't know if you can see that steam coming off the cup or not. Alright, that's it. Hope you enjoy your hot beverage.